Understanding the idiom, sit on the fence. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English idiom, sit on the fence. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning behind this idiom. The phrase, sit on the fence, is an idiom that means to avoid making a decision or taking a side in a dispute or matter. Imagine someone literally sitting on a fence, not moving to either side. This visual helps in understanding the essence of the idiom. It's often used when someone is trying to remain neutral, undecided, or unwilling to commit to a viewpoint or course of action. The origins of sit on the fence are quite interesting. This idiom is believed to have agricultural roots, dating back to when fences were common in rural areas. Sitting on the fence would literally mean being in a position where one could not decide which field to go into. Over time, this physical action became a metaphor for indecision or neutrality in various situations. To better understand how to use sit on the fence, let's look at some examples. In politics, during the debate, the candidates seem to sit on the fence rather than express a clear opinion on the issue. In personal decisions, I've been sitting on the fence about moving to a new city. I can't decide if it's the right choice for me. In workplace scenarios, our manager tends to sit on the fence when it comes to making tough decisions, which can be frustrating. There are several synonyms and phrases that convey a similar meaning to sit on the fence. Some of these include straddle the fence, be on the fence, non-committal, hedge one's bets. And that's a wrap on the idiom, sit on the fence. Now you know what it means, its origins, and how to use it in conversation. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this idiom in your daily conversations. See you in the next video.